There it is. Okay, that's all I wanted. Sorry. Hey guys, it's Dave from POV Drives, and today we're doing a little special thing. Joined by my fiance Nicole, taking a look at my dream car, the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. This is the 2023 version. We have some options on here, but first, 3.6 liter twin turbo V6, making 472 horsepower, 455 pound-feet of torque, rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual. In terms of our performance options, we have Brembo front and rear brakes. We have magnetic ride suspension control. We also get auto rev matching. And we also get these nice performance bucket seats with ventilation and massage, actually. So yeah, this is just a very informal, oh, here we go, roll. Is that you?
That was me.
This is a very informal video. Had an opportunity to test this out. I'm gonna give you guys my quick impressions. Talking about ride quality, the clutch feeling very nice. Powertrain is nice and smooth, very easy to shift your gears. What's up there? Power is linear, very smooth. That V6. Ooh. Nikki's like, oh no, what's happening here? Just gonna stop over here, do a quick little walk around, if you don't mind. Somebody's gonna probably think I'm a nut job. Steering is nice and responsive, very easy to chuck this thing around. 4-door sedan, pretty small. Let's unlock. Wow, it is hot in here. I'm sweating. All right. Performance bucket seats, as we were talking about, ventilation. I think this is the massage function. Lots of adjustment. Nice steering wheels. We also get this red seat belts. Back seats, usable. Sitting behind myself, a little hard to get in, but once you're in, not a ton of headroom. I'm actually hitting my head. Yeah, not a ton of headroom, but decent amount of legroom, so probably meant for kids. But yeah, sitting behind myself, 5'10". It's not the best, it's not the worst, but those seats are just super nice, very racy looking. Got these cutouts for, I guess, your racing harness. Good amount of trunk space though, very wide opening. Do we get a spare tire? I think we could fit one underneath here, but we do not have a spare, it looks like. Just a quick little walk around. We get 4 quad exhaust tips, V Blackwing logo, super nice. Painted in this white, looks pretty standard. Silver wheels, Brembo front brakes. I like the classic Cadillac lights going down, black out. All right, I'm gonna keep driving. I only got a little bit of time with this thing. Probably would help to, oh, parking brake comes off when you get on the gas or the clutch, so that's pretty nice. Reverse camera, good resolution. This car is very maneuverable. It is on the smaller side of the sedan, compact sedan, so a little bit bigger than, smaller than like an Audi S4, like I own. Materials in here are super nice. Lots of leather and soft touch materials. Suede roof line. We got a sunroof as well. Let's see, drive modes. We have a ton of modes. We were just in Tour. Let's go into Sport. This exhaust gets pretty gnarly. Did not do that right. I was trying to do no lift shift and I didn't bang the gears quick enough. So other than me being a nut job, what do you think of the car?
Oh, it's nice.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's very comfortable. It actually feels like your car. I feel like it feels like your Audi.
Kind of feels like the Audi?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. That's very comfortable.
Obviously, Nicole's not a big fan of when I drive like a nut, but
In a school zone.
in a school zone nonetheless. Just write that one off. Yeah, that rev matching is super nice. Stop sign. Let's go this way. Oops. A little bit of an anti-stall there. We also get this performance traction control button. You can go from various different track modes. Oh, there goes the exhaust. Sport, dry, race one. We're just gonna stick with off, inactive. We also get this V mode button, puts you in the most aggressive modes. This person's doing. There it is. Okay, that's all I wanted, sorry. Oh, I love that. Sorry. Wow, that was great. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm sweating with excitement. Nicole's sending out her pleas for help. But yeah, even when you throw this back into comfort and tour, it's just so nice to really roll through the gears. So comfortable. The suspension doesn't beat you up even in sporty modes. This gearbox is really friendly, nice and easy. I think we're getting close to the CarMax. Actually, would you mind putting that in your phone?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's super nice. Visibility's great. Lots of glass, no blind spots. I sit pretty well. I can get into a good position. I could definitely get some heel toes if I was able to. Like the steering wheel, super high quality. AKG premium sound system. Big fan of the ventilated seats for my sweaty backs, especially when I'm all excited. You get a lot of customization in this gauge cluster over here. You get your V menu, shows you performance information, driver assistance, audio, nav. We get Apple CarPlay. I think it's wireless, but display theme. Let's go to track. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Other than that, yeah, this is my dream car. Have some big expenses coming, like a house, so. They're not your fault. It's part of our life. Where are we going?
Yeah. And it's just a right at the next lane. And it should be just watch
Sorry. Alright, so guys, if you want to see this car in the garage, maybe consider subscribing, giving the video a like, because you really support me. Maybe I can get some extra income and afford this car, or at least double down on my expenses. But yeah, thanks for watching. I think I've probably given my fiance a heart attack. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. It's Dave from POV Drives. Maybe I'll see you in the Blackwing.